Hello and welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. We are back for more spring cleaning, but with a twist tonight because we are spring cleaning after dark. It is 10 o'clock at night right now, hence the microphone and the monotone-ish kind of voice, trying not to scream. I also have had a coffee way too late in the day, and I also have a lot of sinus medication, so I'm slightly delulu, but I'm feeling a lot better, and that's what matters. Tonight, we are tackling my drawer of terrors, aka the junk drawer. Ooh yeah, she's rough. I have no idea what's in there. I can't find anything anymore. I open it and I scream. Exactly like that. Every time I open it, it needs something in there. So we're going to give her a little bit of love. So I think we need to make a trip to the dollar store to find some storage solutions. And that honestly is the only place right now that I know that has affordable and decent quality storage solutions. So let's go. All right, so this is the office section. And I think these will fit in the drawers quite nicely, actually. I got these ones too. I like the darker color. I don't see anything else for the drawers. That's hilarious. It's very busy here today and somebody is stocking this aisle, but I grabbed these, 3 of these guys. They've got the non-slip bottom, and then 3 of these guys. It's along their organizing wall. They had some other baskets that were like nice like that too, but they had like mesh, so I feel like things are gonna fall through it, and I think this is a good option. So I think we're done. I'm gonna look a little bit, but I think we should be good. These 2 drinks right here, phenomenal. We'll buy like 5 every time I'm here. It's me again. I actually got this stuff like 5 or 6 days ago before I got sick. I didn't know that I was getting sick in the video, but I definitely was. So I already knew what we were getting. And I actually think that we found a lot of good stuff, and I'm hoping for the best. I also don't think I filmed it because somebody was in front of the wall of organizing things, stocking, and I get real nervous to like film in public. There was one guy watching me in one of the aisles, and I was like, oh, good heavens, this is terrifying. What am I doing? This is not real life. Anyways, so I didn't get a like whole picture of their storage selection, but my gosh, has it increased. Some of it I'm like, this quality is trash. I understand why this is, you know, what it is. But the stuff that we got is decent quality. So let's go over what we got again real quick. 3 of these long slender guys. Very nice quality. The grippies. Huh? Kylo gave me a heart attack. It sounded like a doorknob turning. He was just sniffing a wrapper. We're good. There's little grippies on the bottom, which I'm going to be honest with you, I didn't actually notice in the store. I'm really hoping that these little guys hold change well or just miscellaneous things. And then these big fellas also have the grippies on them and the grippies on the inside. And this drawer is huge. This drawer is massive. So I think what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to set these out and I'm going to try to sort stuff as I take it out so that I'm not piling stuff and then sorting. I kind of like, because it is 10 o'clock at night, I want to go to bed at some point. I'm not tired yet, but I think sorting it as I go might actually be more helpful. So let's see if that's successful or not. Okay, so here it all is laid out. Like, I genuinely think all of this could fit in this drawer. It is very long. Like, it's as long as this counter. But I don't necessarily think I need all of it, or at least I shouldn't need all of it, because this drawer has a lot of stuff in it, but I don't think it's as much as I think. I don't know. We'll see. Let's just start sorting, shall we? Okay, I know you guys can't see me, but hopefully you can hear me and you can see what I'm doing much better. Like this whole bag of change with this. Okay, that's ridiculous. Sharpies. This is hanging hardware, so probably a bigger one. Why do I have so many matches? How many fires am I lighting? Like, I feel like that might be a good... Okay, fine, sure, we'll see. Oh, these are like safety locks that I never put on my door because I couldn't figure it out. So, hardware. tools, do tools need a separate one? No, tools will go there, that's fine. Miss ADHD, why do we have so many bags of change? Oh, these are the stickers. So this is stickers that stay in place for my rugs. So those, do those go hardware? No, those can go here for now. I have a lot of batteries. More hardware. I have a lot of batteries. My mom called me, so while we were talking, I did a couple of things. I got all of the miscellaneous bags full of money put into one for laundry, and then these are the special guys. These are the nice ones that I like to collect, okay? Perfect. While I was at it, this drawer is nice and clean. Do you guys remember? We have extra liner. We're gonna line this real quick. Ta-da! Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at how big these drawers are. My God. So let's see what we'll need for this. If I can do this one-handed, that'll be... Okay, so we'll just do two side by side. So probably about there. Okay. If you're new here, and that's gonna bother you, I'm sorry. I don't care. About things like that sometimes because I don't see it. All I see is I open, I'm like, yay, pretty. And just like that, look at how gorgeous. Okay, let's organize these a little better. That looks insane. Okay, so the change doesn't need its own container. Like that can just chill in the drawer. So I'm just gonna set it right here. Okay, we're just gonna set it right there for a minute. Will you come here? All right, I know. Okay, those will be fine like that. Boom. Well, hold on, let's see. So this I got on Amazon when I first moved in here, and I have used a lot of them, but not as many as I thought I have. But I have two left, so I'm glad I opened that. And then these ones, oh, I haven't used a lot of these. Oh, geez. Okay. Oh, look at all this recycle. Very nice. Get a whole box out of there. I'll get that later. Put you right here. Perfect. Next is this mounting one. Oh Lord, okay. rubber bands make more sense than this one. I know this might drive some people crazy, but like I know that this is for mounting and hanging stuff. So I'm gonna look in here for that type of stuff. So I think this is gonna be fine. Like a glove. Ready? 1, 2, 3. The exact width. Oh, I couldn't have done better. All right, candles. I think this one just kind of speaks for itself. Maybe I want this one up here, and then okay, you just take a back seat there. This guy. This doesn't need to be in the junk drawer. This needs to be in the craft drawer. So many matches. Craft. Candles with matches, duh. Okay, so that one's not super important, like in my opinion, so does it need to be up here? These ones are like the cards for the people, the places and the things. These actually need to go in the electronic spot. This can all stay though. I'm just struggling with these, like do I put these in here? Sure, I guess that works. Oh, they fit right here alongside this. Oh, that's nice. Okay, that works. Okay, so this stuff doesn't need to be in there. This does. Okay. Okay, we're getting down to the final steps of organizing this here. I don't want this one up here this close though. I don't need it that often. However, batteries and hanging stuff, I do. Oh, look at this. So then, oh my god. Oh my god, like a glove. Oh, I think I should lay some of those down though. There. Okay, I think this is the final configuration. Do you see how beautiful this is? Look at how organized it is. And I can see everything. I know where everything is. It has a place. What? This stuff, honestly, is just stuff I need to go put in our craft box that was just getting thrown in here. This tape I'm also going to put in the craft box because it was throwing off the flow. And we've already got 2 tapes in here, so we're fine. We're fine. I think this looks so stinking good. For what? How much did I spend on these? I think they're $1.50 each, so 3... Maybe these are $1.25? I don't remember. Oh my god, I don't remember how much these were. But probably under $10 for all of this storage stuff. And then this drawer just looks phenomenal now. I'm so excited. I will be 100% honest with you. It's 11:30 at night right now. So we successfully had our first spring cleaning after dark. That felt really good. I'm very proud of that drawer, actually. I'm excited to ask Kelly to get something from it for me in the morning, and he's going to open it and be like, oh my god, mommy. Yeah, I think the thing to remember when you are organizing and doing things is don't let what other people do kind of like cloud your judgment of what's going to work best for you. I think there was a few times where I was like, well, people might not like X, Y, and Z, mostly because I'm showing you guys this. You know, usually if you're organizing, it's kind of for yourself, but I share it with the world. But I have to get out of my head. I'm like, I don't care what they think. Is it going to work for me? Is it going to be functional for me? That's all that matters. Can I use it and can I live with it? That's literally all that matters. Like having an open concept like that, but it's like in categories and it makes sense and it's not all flying around. It's going to be more functional for me and more functional for Kelly, and it's going to take some of the stress off my shoulders when I say it's in the junk drawer and then he says I can't find it, which is absolutely, like, you saw what it looked like before. Of course you can't find it in there. So that's just kind of another aspect and layer of organizing and things too, especially if you have kids or other people that live in your home. It just takes that mental load off, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm exhausted now. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really tired. I'm going to take care of the rest of this tomorrow. It's just, like I said, just moving stuff a few different places, but Thank you guys so much for joining me. I greatly appreciate you. The next video is going to be a fun one. It's not a spring cleaning one. The one after that will be. And as long as I find storage stuff, we are tackling underneath that drawer that we just did, the pots and pans area, because it's a jumble, and that's one of the spaces that gives me the most anxiety. So thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you in the next one. Good night.